Hello students, we have seen in the earlier chapter what is a noun and the types of nouns. Today we are going to see noun numbers. Number is the property of the noun that distinguishes one object from more than one. In English language there are two kinds of numbers, singular number and plural number. Now let's understand what is singular number. The noun that denotes one person, animal, or thing is said to be in singular number. A noun, which is the name of only one thing or one person or one animal, is said to be in singular number or simply singular. Singular means single. See the examples here: army, leaf, horse, tooth. Now let's understand plural numbers with examples. The noun that denotes more than one person, animal, or thing is said to be in plural number. Plural means more. So anything that is more than one is called plural or in plural number or plural form. See the examples: armies, leaves, horses, teeth. Plurals of the nouns are formed by the following ways. Let's see all the rules one by one. First rule is we generally add s to the singular noun. Examples: flower, flowers; kite, kites; door, doors. Second rule is we can form plural by adding es to the singular nouns ending with a letter s, sh, ch, or x. See the examples: dish, dishes; box, boxes; watch, watches. The singular nouns ending with a letter o form their plurals by adding es. Examples: mango, mangoes; mosquito, mosquitoes. However, some nouns that end in o form their plural in the normal way. Normal way means take s after them. Okay, see the examples: photo, photos; piano, pianos. Plurals of nouns are formed by adding ies to the singular and replacing y. Only if nouns end with consonant plus y, which means if singular word has consonant before y, then while changing it to plural, we will remove y and write ies. Okay, see the examples: baby, babies; fairy, fairies. So we can change singular nouns ending with vowel plus y to plural by adding only s. See the examples: toy, toys; story, stories. Okay, so remember, if a singular noun has vowel before y, then add only s to change it to plural. And if there is a consonant before y, then in plural replace y and add ies. Clear? Next rule is plurals of the nouns are formed by adding ves to the singular and replacing f or fe. See the examples: Knife, knives. Wolf, wolves. Exceptions: some words ending in s form plural in the normal way. Normal way means we add only s to form plural. Okay. Examples: proof, proofs. Chief, chips. Roof, roofs. Hoofs, hoofs. So figures and letters are made plural by adding apostrophe and s. Figures means numbers and letters means alphabets. If you want to make plural of this, then you have to add apostrophe and s. See the examples: BA, BAs, apostrophe and s added in plural. Three, threes, K, Ks, nine, nine. Foreign plurals are formed A by changing US to I in the words ending in US. Examples: syllabus, syllabi. Radius, radii. B by changing IS to ES in the words ending in IS. Basis, basis. Thesis, thesis. See, in singular there is IS and in plural there is ES. C by changing UM to A in the words ending in UM. Curriculum, curricula. Datum, data. A few nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels of the singular. There are 26 alphabets, and out of which 5 are vowels: A, E, I, O, U. So some nouns form their plurals by adding inside vowel or vowels. See the examples: mouse, mice, foot, fit, louse, lice, and goose, geese. Some plurals are formed by adding en or ren to the singular words. See the examples: child, children, ox, oxen. Compounds form their plural as mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief, son-in-law, sons-in-law, maidservant, maidservants. Compound nouns means a noun that is made with two or more words. Okay.